Here is how to delete data on Zapier step by step. Begin by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main screen, move to the top area of the page, click your profile picture, and choose Settings from the menu that opens. This takes you to the Account Settings area, where the data removal options are stored. After the Settings page opens, look to the left sidebar and select Security and Data. This section includes controls related to account protection and stored information. When that page loads, scroll down until you reach the Data Management area. In that section, find the option labeled Delete My Data. Next to Delete My Data, you will see a trash can icon. Click that delete icon to begin the removal process. This opens a confirmation window where Zapier summarizes what will be deleted from the account. Take a moment here to review the details shown on screen. The window will display the number of Zaps and connected accounts that are included in the deletion request. If you want to inspect the workflows before continuing, click View All of your Zap workflows. This lets you review the Zap workflows that will be affected. If you already know which workflows are tied to the account and do not need to check them, return to the confirmation window and continue from there. As you move through the summary, scroll through the list of connected accounts included in the deletion. Read through the items carefully so you can confirm that the displayed data is the data you want removed. Make sure the listed connected accounts match what you intend to delete before you approve anything permanent. When you are ready to continue, click Yes, Delete. This confirms that you want Zapier to permanently delete your Zap content, workflows, runs, and connected accounts. At this stage, the action is intended to remove the data listed in the summary window, so review once more before selecting the final confirmation. After you confirm, allow Zapier time to process the deletion request. The account may need a short period to complete the removal, depending on the amount of content attached to the workspace. Wait until Zapier shows confirmation that the data has been successfully removed. If the page takes a moment to update, stay on the screen until the completion message appears. That is the full process for deleting data directly from the Zapier settings area. You start in your account settings, move into Security and Data, open Data Management, review the deletion summary, verify the connected accounts, and confirm the permanent removal request. Your Zapier data, including Zap content, workflows, runs, and connected accounts, has now been deleted.